The Google smartwatch comes with unique wristbands designed to be simple to attach and replace. At this year's Google I/O conference, the Big G finally unveiled just that in the shape of the Pixel Watch. The appearance of the Pixel Watch is subtle and nearly floats above the wrist, which is quite similar to the design of the Apple Watch and may even be more streamlined. It has what Google refers to as a domed design, and the bottom is made of recycled stainless steel. A tactile crown on the screen's right side will assist you in navigating the user interface and extensive menus. The hardware is expected to have a thickness of approximately half an inch, and a diameter of approximately 1.5 inches, comparable to the dimensions of other circular watches like the Samsung Galaxy Watch. Google Pixel Watch has a circular button on the side which look exactly same as the Apple Watch button, and if you know the Apple Watch button, it is used to control the application. So we can expect similar functionality of the Google Pixel Watch. Anyway, as far as the size of the Pixel Watch, it looks good, and the first look gave us an idea that it will have a size of 40 to 44 meters m, which is nice. Also, this watch looks a little bit thicker, which means we might actually going to see your heart rate sensor for the Pixel Watch as well. The whole frame is protected by Gorilla Glass, and it is mentioned on the teaser, which is nice, because it provides a strong durability and scratch resistance. We also hope it will be having a water resistance, which is going to be standard right now in the watches. The Google Pixel Watch's integration of Fitbit's fitness tracking is arguably its most fascinating feature, particularly when compared to what is achievable with the top Fitbit devices. Google Fit has been a lackluster health tool along with workout monitoring, active zone minutes and other health tracking functions. Fitbit premium features will be made available on the Pixel Watch. According to a report from 9 to 5 Google, the Pixel Watch's battery will only be a little larger than 300 mAh. The watch's battery is rumored to only last a day, but we would anticipate at least 18 hours to match the Apple Watch's battery life. There have already been several useful battery management settings for Wear OS devices. Furthermore, according to rumors, Google has applied for a USB-C charger for the Pixel Watch, but it might not support rapid charging. The wearable will reportedly take 110 minutes to recharge according to sources. The price is something Google needs to work on. As per reports, the Pixel Watch will come in two variants, Bluetooth and LTE, and the starting price for Pixel Watch is $349 and $50 more for LTE version, which is about $400. Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below, and as always, I'll see you tomorrow. Peace out.